suggestion, like an action word, like hiking or jumping or
chopping down trees.
chopping down trees is one I. So it's going to be inspired by chopping down trees. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, not this one.
I got me the order right here. It says I got to cut this tree down.
Yeah, it's your order from the man.
Reverse.
Yeah, it's your order from the man.
Look, I got this order right here. I got to cut this tree down.
No, not this one.
Forward.
No, not this one.
Look, I got the order right here. I got to cut this tree down.
Yeah, your order from the man.
The man's the one who writes the order.
Reverse. Forward. Reverse. Reverse.
That's the man.
Forward.
That's the man.
Yeah, I'm not scared of you and your chainsaws, okay? Like, you think you're a big man and you can saw this helpless tree that provides life and oxygen and homes for squirrels. You just want to chop it. Whoa, bro!
Reverse.
Whoa, bro!
Forward.
Whoa, bro! Yeah. You don't know what kind of pain chipmunks can bring down upon you. They are my nature friends.
Old chap has got a taste number once she's been started.
Reverse.
Old chap has got a taste number once she's started.
Forward.
Old chap has got a taste number once she's started.
I'll take out his leg. You take out the tree.
Well, you guys are willing to kill a man to kill a tree? You're going to commit murder to commit arboricide? It's a word.
Just gonna take your feet out.
Oh, now you did it. That's chipping. You don't want to make. You know what? I'm out of here. I'm chains off. Chipping. Oh, looks nice.
Reverse.
Oh, there's chipping. Oh, you know
Forward.
what? All right. There's
Reverse.
chipping. All right.
Forward, extreme slow motion. Forward, regular speed.